Hello YouTubers, this is the noobifier. It's Friday and that means Star Citizen Live about build, platforms, and publishes with Miles, Ahmed, and Benoit. These are the 3 stages involved in releasing a new build. Here's what you need to know in 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Once a developer creates a change to the code and checks it, a manifest is used to help the patcher know what to change. The deployment is the next stage, and the path that they choose to deploy is based on how big that change is. The new patch is pre-positioned for deployment to all servers around the world. Internal testers get a chance to ensure that the build is fine, and then they may roll it out, or it may have simply been an internal build, or perhaps it might be held for changes. Benoit confirmed that there were many builds that players never see. Benoit spoke a little bit about the Delta Patcher, which was built into the launcher around 3.0. It's named the Delta Patcher because it looks at what you have and what's missing, and then sends you the Delta. Miles confirmed that taking all the build components from different teams, combining them into one patch for deployment, is a massive source of bug potential. He said that the equipment allocated to the game backend and the backup systems are industry-leading and numerous in quantity. Game servers currently scale based on the population needs and the load. Miles confirmed that they can keep up to 4 individual builds live internally for testing at one time. He also said that they may see 10 or 20 builds in one day. Stability metrics are logged, and Ben confirmed that they use bots to simulate a massive load on the store and game interface. These are locusts and pestilence. They use this load testing to simulate a worst-case scenario to make the feature to crash less when tasked heavily. Ahmed confirmed that the game servers are all running on exactly the same specifications to remove that as a variable when problem-solving crashes or poor performance. Ben confirmed what would seem obvious, that the most troublesome release was 3.0 for him because it was massive, it took 1 year, and it introduced the Delta Patcher. Miles said from his perspective, 3.9 was super complex and difficult to release. Ahmed also said that 3.0 was difficult because of the number of changes to the VM in the backend to support the new features. He then also confirmed that Fleet Week was a nightmare for his team, but the lessons learned during that week were invaluable. Ben confirmed that iCache and long-term persistence won't actually add more records, and it could actually track more efficiently. Ahmed confirmed that there were 2 new team members reporting to him on Monday, and if a server crashes, its resources can be allocated and back up and running in seconds automatically. And that's it. Thank you for spending your time with me, fly safe, and I'll see you in the verse.